Welcome to Beerstories from Beerstory Brewhouse. In this video I'm going to show you how to clean your kegs with a bucket blaster like this one. If you don't want to miss out on any videos from Beerstories, remember to click like and subscribe down the corner. You get the newest videos in your YouTube feed. You'll help me out and you help out the channel and make me very happy. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Well, the bucket blaster is a smart gadget for cleaning your kegs. You can also clean your fermenters in it. If you have a firm cylinder or something that has a small hole, it fits directly on top. If you have fermenters like this one, you have to use a larger bucket to place the blaster in. The diameter has to be smaller than the bucket, otherwise the cleaner will just spill out all over the place. So that's important. But I use it to clean my, also my fermenters, but primarily my kegs. The advantage to this is that you don't have to take it apart. You just have to place it on top here and connect it, turn it on, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's clean. So the bucket blaster is basically just a pump, a metal stand, and then this spray wand and these two ball locks, and that's basically it. So the cleaner inside will spray up into the keg, clean everything inside, and these two will clean the dip tubes. So that's the whole system. You can see a video in the description on how to assemble it. So what I'm doing is I take off the lid, just pull and twist the safety valve, loosen up the rubber ring, place it inside. Every time I do this, I also grease up my dip tubes, rubber rings, my O-rings in here. So I actually take it apart anyway. But I do this now because if I plant any microorganisms in there because of the loop and my fingers, it will get cleaned. You could also wait until you sanitize it, but yeah. So first of all, pour out the rest of the beer. Just spray it inside with water, just to get all the dirt out if there is any. And then, well, like I said, it only cleans the inside, so you have to clean it on the outside. Clean the valves, clean the top and everything, and then just hook it up. Of course, gas on gas, and liquid on the liquid side. And then now is actually the most tricky part, is placing this on top here without bending any tubes or anything like that. But yeah, you just have to wiggle it a bit and see where it will fit the best. So like that. And then try to center it so that the spray wand will hit the center, and it will make a nice will cover everything inside here. And that's all I have to do. Then I have to plug it in and just let it clean for 10-15 minutes. If your cleaner has some directions on how long it has to sit there before it's clean, this is also a sanitizer, so I know it has to sit there for 20 minutes. But I'm not sanitizing it now, I'm just cleaning it. So 10 minutes is fine. I add a cleaner up to 8 liters, or just above 2 gallons. That's enough. The pump will be submerged fully, even though there's a cleaner in the hoses and everything, the tubes, everything. It says here fill to this level at 11 liters or 3 gallons, but that's not necessary. I just fill it up to 8. And then I just let it work for 10 minutes or so. And then just rinse it with water and store it, put it away. And when you have to use it, do the same thing, just with Star San or some other sanitizer. and then you're good to go. So basically that's it. If you don't want to miss out on any videos, please click like and subscribe. But also, if you wait till the end, there'll be 2 videos up here that YouTube wants you to see. But remember, click like and subscribe down the corner here, and you get the newest videos in the YouTube feed, and you help out the channel as well. And of course, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. If you have any questions, write to me through Facebook, Instagram, down in the comments. If you write there, I'll answer as well. Or you can find me through beerstories.dk. That was it. Have a happy brewing out there.